everybody, I'm Jennifer Turcott.
And I'm Marcus Parsley, and we're with IGL Coatings.
And we're here to talk to you about our F line, from compound, polish to finish. And Marcus, how do we use this and what can you use it with?
Well, we use it with rotary buffers, wool pads, DAs, microfiber pads, you name it. It's body shop safe, low to no VOC, really simple product to use.
And one thing that I really like about this is you can actually use them all together. So how this system functions together is, depending on how much cut and polish that you want, you can use these all independently or you can use them together. What I like to do is I'll actually mix F1 and F3 together depending on how much cut and polish I want. For instance, I'll take a microfiber cutting pad, I'll put 3 dots of F1, 1 dot of F3, and what the F3 actually does is it'll help lubricate it and finish it out into a one-step. I gotta personally say that the F3 has been definitely a game changer for me when it comes to finishing out black paint. It's not that I couldn't finish out black paint, it just kind of took me a little bit because what I was using previously had a lot of filling properties in it. So now when I'm working on a black car and I take a black pad, I'll put a little bit of F3 on it, I'll work it a little slower, wipe it off, especially if you're going to be doing a ceramic coating. If you take something like an isopropyl alcohol wipe, when you wipe the paint after you get done using it, you're not going to see any micro marring or haze because the paint is finished out and it looks beautiful. For more information on this product, visit autogeek.com.